Welcome to the 2020-2021 school year. My name is Kevin Armour and I'm proud to be the principal here at Daniel Boone Elementary. Daniel Boone is a school with a proud history and a very bright future. Our staff is ready and committed to make this a great year for your child, whether that is in person or virtual. While I know this has been a crazy, uncertain time for everyone, one thing remains true: Daniel Boone is a great place to be. It is a community who cares for one another and welcomes new friends and families. We overcome challenges and work together. This past school year, Daniel Boone was recognized as a Missouri Gold Star National Blue Ribbon School for being one of the highest performing schools in the state of Missouri. Our two in the state, and only 8 schools received this national recognition that we are all so proud of. We have been working hard to prepare for the students to return. Part of our preparation has been removing some furniture from classrooms to create more space, and marking some raccoon footprints on the floor to help provide guidance in areas of our building to promote social distancing. While we understand it may take some time getting used to, our students and staff will be expected to wear masks throughout their school day, including their ride to and from school on the bus. Lunch has been moved to before recess to allow students time to wash their hands with soap and water before eating. Raccoon paws have been painted on the floor to help guide students to social distance as they wait in the lunch line. Students will be assigned to specific lunch tables by classroom and will be seated 4 to a table instead of 8. This allows for social distancing and proper contact tracing if necessary. Students will wear their mask into the cafeteria and remove them when they eat. They can put the mask on their wrist or a lanyard. Unfortunately, we cannot have visitors in the building this year. Therefore, we cannot have parents coming up to school for lunch as we have in the past. Students will go to recess directly from the cafeteria with their grade level. Students will line up on squares provided to support social distancing and contact tracing if necessary. Grades 2 through 5 will have 2 recesses per day, and kindergarten and first will have 3 a day to help support their health and social-emotional well-being. The Francis House School District has revised their policy regarding birthday treats. Just like last year, parents will not be able to provide any treats for their child's birthday or other occasion. New this year will be that Sodexo, our food service provider, will also no longer be selling birthday treats for the students to share with their class. Our classroom teachers will make sure that your child's birthday is a special day in the classroom. We ask that families do not send any treats, trinkets, or gift bags to pass out to the other students. Thank you for your understanding and continuing to support a safe and healthy environment for our school. District workers as well as building custodians have been working diligently to clean all areas of our building. Surfaces are disinfected nightly and ongoing sanitizing happens during the day. In addition, hand sanitizer will be available in all classrooms throughout the building. While we always want students at school, now more than ever, we need to be sure to stay home if we are not feeling well. Families, it is vital we work together on this. If students or staff experience any of the above symptoms, they will be required to stay home until symptom-free for 24 hours without the use of fever-reducing medications such as Tylenol or ibuprofen. Students and staff must stay home if sick. All students and employees must stay home if they have COVID-19 symptoms, tested positive, or had close contact with a person with COVID-19 within the last 14 days. We will be working with the health department and following their guidance when notified of a positive case. Students and staff considered to be in close contact, less than 6 feet for 15 minutes or longer with a confirmed positive case, will be quarantined for 14 days. We will personally be contacting families if their child is considered a close contact and asking them to quarantine their student. Families and staff should self-screen for illness or COVID symptoms before coming to school and work each day. You will not be allowed to come back to school until you provide the school with a written release from the St. Charles County Health Department. A negative test does not release you from quarantine. School begins at 8:55, which is the time families can begin dropping off students. Please follow the lanes and arrows on the pavement. Row 4 will pull forward around the side of the curb past the cafeteria toward the trash bins. Cars in rows 1 through 3 need to stop at the white line until the staff member tells you to move forward. It is important to pull all the way up to the car in front of you so we can keep traffic from backing up on Highway D and to allow the buses to enter the parking lot. If you arrive after 8:55, you will need to park and walk your child in and sign them in. During the first week of school, we will have additional staff to escort kindergarten and first grade, as well as new students to the classroom. We ask that parents do not come up to school to meet their child or take pictures when they are getting off the bus. This will not be allowed this year due to COVID. Our goal is to get students loaded in their cars and buses as quickly as possible. Students will begin coming to the cafeteria for parent pickup around 3:45 this year to allow us more time. Bus riders will load the buses at 3:55 to keep them from being on the bus too long. There is a change to parent pickup this year. Students will wait in the cafeteria in rows separated by family name. When students hear their name, they will walk outside to a cone and wait for another staff member to escort them to the car. For the first day of school, you may use your blue parent pickup card from last year. If you cannot find it or are new to Daniel Boone, you may write your student's last name on a piece of paper and display it in your windshield so that staff members can read it. The first day is the only time you may make your own card. Your child will receive the 2021 official parent pickup card at school on the first day. In addition, teachers will be giving students a small card with their last name on it. This card should always remain attached to their backpack. On Monday, your child sent you a link to a Google form. Please complete this form so we know if your child is bus, parent pickup, or vacation station. After that, if you have any changes to your child's dismissal, please send a note to the office. We thank you for your patience as we work through this new process. Please know that as we live through the first couple of weeks, we may tweak the process to make it even more efficient. Students attending in person may bring their supplies in small increments that they are able to carry. Teachers may be sending some guidance on supplies to bring initially. Because visitors cannot come into the building, we cannot have parents help bring supplies into the classroom. For our learners who are virtual, a supply pickup for any DB student attending virtual school, no matter which building your teacher is from, will be on September the 8th here at Daniel Boone from 9:30 to 2:30. In addition, we may schedule other supply pickup times throughout the semester that will be communicated at a later date. I thank you in advance for your patience, understanding, and grace as we begin this school year. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to your child's teacher, Ms. Steffen, or myself. No matter what, it will be another great year at Daniel Boone, and we can't wait to see you all here on Monday.